Welcome to another video on NCERT Math Magic 4 chapter number 11 tables and shades. So this is the part 1 video. It is going to live or premiered daily tonight as usual, and my name is HANU7. I am teaching this videos since 2019 in YouTube. So you might have seen my playlist, different playlist. This video will be available in the playlist NCERT Math Magic 4. So I request all the viewers to share this playlist to as many as you can, so that I will get more views and more watch time. So quickly, those who are new to this video or those who are new to this channel, so quickly subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and then click the like button and click share button. The visuals you can see on the screen are related to today's session only. We will see that in the upcoming slides. So first I would like to say something to NCERT. So this is a copied content from textbook of soft copies of NCERT. So I would like to mention the courtesy, like I am taking this material from your website to teach to the student. I am not republishing anything. So that's why I kept in courtesy of NCERT in the down. So now coming to the tables and shades, Shama's garden. This is the Shama's garden. Shama is maintaining her garden in such a way that you can see there are sunflowers, rose, and then marigold. Okay, so Shama is maintaining this garden, and it is having what are the three flowers? Sunflower, rose, and marigold plants in the garden. She planted them in 3 flower beds. This is flower bed number 1, and this is flower bed number 2, and this is the flower bed number 3. Okay, so see how I have planted 18 plants in each flower bed. So she is telling that I have planted 18 flowers in each flower bed. See how I made it. Okay, so in the first flower bed, you can see there are only there is only one row, and all the 18 plants were planted in that. But whereas here there are how many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows are there, and in each row 3 plants are there. Okay, so this is the second flower bed, and this is the third flower bed. Okay, so in this third flower bed there are 2 rows, and in each row there are 9 plants are there. Okay, so like that, this is the Shama's garden, which is having different flower beds, and he gave answer for the first one, the sunflower, how each flower bed has different arrangement. See how roses are planted. Here you can see the roses are planted in such a way that he is giving the answer for roses. 6 rows into 3. So there are 6 rows with 3 plants in each. And he is asking us to tell the answer for sunflower and marigold. So sunflower are this, as we have seen in the beginning only, there is only one row with 18 plants. So one row with 18 plants. Already I have made this answer. So one row and 18 plants. So there is one row with 18 plants. Okay. So these answers I made it very in advance, so that it will save our time, and it will eliminate the background noise which is coming while I am writing. Okay. So I am sitting in a very noisy area, so I cannot stop those things. So the only way is if I have to speak continuously, the noise will be eliminated. Now next one is 18 is equal, I mean how many ways in which these marigolds are planted. Marigolds, as I told you, there are 2 rows and then 9 flowers in each. 2 by 9 is the answer, and our answer is like this: 2 rows with 9 plants in each. And here one hint I can tell you is, he didn't give rows, so he wrote only one row row in the sense it indicates 1. If it is a multiple, they will keep S here. So 1 row with 18 plants, so 2 rows with 9 plants. So you can make your own garden, draw a garden showing flower beds with 48 plants. Each row should have the same number of plants. So this is how the arrangement is. I made arrangement in such a way that there are 8 rows and then 6 plants in each. So totally 48 plants will be planted in that flower bed. Okay. So I couldn't draw all the flowers. So assume that the matrix I have shown there. There are 8 rows and then in each row there are 6 plants are there. It will be 8 into 6 is equal to 48. Now we will move to the this second page, 121 page, jars in the shelf. Bhima made a shelf for 30 jars. There is a long shelf with 2 rows. Each row has the same number of jars. Can you think of the other ways to make a shelf of to keep 30 jars? So draw a shelf. So show how many jars you will keep in each row, how many rows are there. Okay, so he is asking us to do this task in such a way that this person Bhima made a shelf of 30 jars in such a way that he kept 15 jars in one row, and one more 15 jars in another row. So totally there are 30 jars. So can you think of other ways of arranging this shelf to keep the 30 jars? Yeah, I have think about like this. So I would like to arrange in such a way that there are 6 jars per row, and totally how many such rows are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows and 6 jars. So totally it is 30. So draw a shelf show how many jars you have kept in each row. So you can see that here. Have your friends drawn it differently? So definitely they might have drawn it in a different way. So easy tricks. This is another topic, easy tricks. I don't know the multiplication table of 7. Bunty is telling that I don't know the multiplication table of 7. And then Gudu is telling that I know the table is I know the table still 5, but there is an easy trick. I can make the table of 7 with the table of 2 and 5. Okay, the discussion among both of them is he is telling that I don't know what is the multiplication of 7. She is I don't know whether he is or she Gudu. He is telling that the name tells that he is telling that I can make a table 7 with known tables. I know tables only up to 7, up to 5. Okay, but still I can manage to get the table 7 answers. So how we will see here in this slide. So can you see here 1 into 2, this is 2 table. Okay, 2 table is arranged in such a way that so it is 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 4 into 2, 5 into 2. Okay, so we will write in reverse. 2 into 1 is equal to 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, like that. But here you write it in reverse. So we will get the table 2 answers. In both way the answer is correct. Similarly, fifth one also, 5 table, 1 into 5, 2 into 5, 3 into 5, so on like that. Okay. So this total, whatever the answer we got for 2 table and whatever the answer we got for 5 table, for the number 1 will be answer for 7th table. Okay, 7 1 ja 7 or 1 7 ja 7, like that. Similarly, 2 table, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10. So 4 plus 10 will give us 14. Okay, similarly 21. The addition of these two items will be giving us 21. Similarly 28, 35, like that. Okay, so see how I had added the two numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7. Gudu is telling that how I made the 7th table. Now it is easy. I can also make the table of 7 with tables of 4 and 3. Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using the tables of 4 and 3. So they gave initially some numbers and later we have to calculate. So 1 into 4 4, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 4 12, 4 into 4 16, 5 into 4 20, 6 into 4 24, 7 into 4 28, 8 into 4 32, 9 4 is 36, 10 4 is 40. This is the 4th table. Okay, so here only the change is, instead of writing 4 by 1, I mean 4 by 4 into 1, they wrote 1 into 4. 4 into 2, they wrote 2 into 4. 4 into 3, they wrote 3 into 4, like that. Okay, so they are incrementing the number 1 2 3 4 5 and keeping the 4 as it is. Table of 3 also same. Okay, so 3 3 is 9, 4 3 is 12, 5 3 is 15, 6 3 is 18, or otherwise you go in reverse. Like this you read 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24, 3 9 is 27, 3 10 is 30. Okay, so similarly here also 4th table, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24, like that. Now you can see he only gave 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So here he added these two and we got 7. Okay, and 8 plus 6, here, the sum is becoming how much? It is 14. And 9 plus 2 21, 16 plus 12 28, like that it continues. Okay, so 42 49 56 63 70, like this we can calculate or we can get the table of other number by the known tables. You need not remember all the tables. Okay, so nobody remembers everything. Right from the known tables. Okay, this is how actually formula will get developed. From known tables you try to develop the table of other tables. That is how many cats. Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. She kept the cats in a box, they are playing in that. When she tried to count, all she could see were legs. She cannot see not more than legs there. She could not counted. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? So how many cats are there in the box? So 8 legs means actually 4 legs means 1 cat. 1 cat is having 4 legs. 2 cats will have how many legs? 8 cats he only gave there. So 3 cats will have 12. So I wrote answer here 3. So but which is also kept here. And then 4 cats will have how many? It is 16. 5 cats, 6 cats, 7 cats and 8 cats. So 28 legs means how many cats? It is 7 cats. Okay, so 28 legs means how many cats? It is 7 cats. Now below has kept his chicken in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? Chicken will have how many legs? Chicken will have only 2 legs, right? So divide 28 by 2, you will get the answer. So 28 by 2 is 14. Okay, so but the cats are having 4 legs, so we got 14 by 2 also, because we want 28 by 4, so which is 7. Just now we have seen 7th table, right? Okay, now we will move to the next question. Leela has not gone to the school for 21 days. for how many weeks she was away from the school. She is away from the school. Okay, it is, the answer is 3. So we know every week will have 7 days. 7 plus 7 plus 7 will give us 21, or otherwise take 21 divided by 7. 7 goes one time, it is 3. Or you know the traditional method of doing the division, right? So this is 7, 3 is 21. Like this also you can do it. Now jumping animals, we will see this jumping animals. This jumping animals activity you might have seen in the class 3, right? So do you remember the jumping animals of class 3? A frog jumps from step 3 at a time from 0. So if it starts from 0, you can see it is jumping to 3 at a time. Okay, so a count count the jumps he takes to reach 27. In order to reach 27, how many jumps he will take? So divide the 27 by 3, you will get the answer for that. It is 9. Okay, so 3 9 times is equal to 27. So 27 by 3 will give us 9. He has taken dash jumps if it is 36. Okay, if it is a 36, then the jumps could be 12. Here actually the multiplication and division both will come into the picture. 12 3 is 36. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Okay, in both ways you will get the answer. If he is at 42, he has taken dash jumps, 14 jumps. Okay, so 42 divided by 3, so 3 1 are 3, 3 4 are 12. Okay, so if you want to do it in a traditional method, 42 then 3 1 are 3, 1 carry, 3 4 are 12 0. So 14 is the answer. Okay, so actually I am in need of the space here, so I am erasing this part. The next animations will come here for the below divisions, whatever that are given in the exercise practice time. If you take a rabbit, if it is starting at 0, it will take 5 jumps, because rabbit can jump faster than a frog, right? So how many jumps does he reach 25? 5 times if he jumps, it reaches 25. He reaches 8 jumps, 40, 5 8 are 40. Okay, he needs dash jumps to reach 55, 11. This is the fifth table, application of fifth table. Now it's a practice time for us. 28 divided by 2, 2 1 are 2, then it is 0, 8, 2 4 are 8. Okay, so like if I write like this, I'm speaking slowly, right? In the meanwhile, if something comes from the background, that noise will be captured by the mic. So I don't want to do that. That's why I'm writing it well in advance. So what is the next question? 48 divided by 6. So let us see the answer for this, whether it is 14 or not, as per the calculation done by me earlier. So yeah, it is right. So it is 14. So now the next question is 48 divided by 48 divided by 4. 48 divided by 4 is how much? Answer we got it as 12. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 8 will come here as it is. Okay, so 8 will be coming directly here, and then 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, we will get a 0 as the remainder. So answer is 12. Similarly 96, it is also 12, and similarly 56, it is 7 8 ja directly, it is 7 8 ja 56, and then 11th table of 6th table, 6 in the 6th table, the last one which you are learning is 6 10 ja 60, and next one also you are learning these days. So 6 11 ja 66, 10 10 ja 100, 10 11 ja 110. So it's very simple division. You can do with the traditional method. How did I shown here also. So we will stop here.